Everybody, this is Brian back with another Kaspa update. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you're at, and we're going to dig into this chart. I got quite a few things to show you guys today, so we're going to dig right into this. First off, Kaspa. Alright, we have gotten a breakout of that wedge. We'll zoom in here on the 4 hour. You can see this thing has poked its head out of here. Alright, so now we're waiting for confirmation of that breakout. I'm expecting this thing to hit support somewhere down through here, but I'll get right back to this in a second. I got some other stuff to show you guys real quick. We got Bitcoin dominance, alright, on the daily. This thing is breaking down. Okay, you can see it's falling out of that wedge, which is obviously fantastic. Alright, anytime Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, the altcoin market starts flying. So this is looking great. That DXY, we've been watching that dollar index. This is on the daily chart. You can see that thing has gotten rejected off that 786 so far. Alright, and we'll pull the RSI up here because you can see the daily RSI is rolling over on that thing. So expecting that thing to correct down further. The Dow Jones, that thing is actually, it's starting to get a breakout itself. Alright, it has this massive wedge pattern that formed way back here in December of 2021. So that was the beginning of the last bull run for the crypto market. Alright, so you can see it's come down here. Right there it started, came down here, got rejected. It did have a false breakout right here, but now we're starting to get another breakout through here. So the Dow Jones is looking great. The S&P 500, same story. That thing is, it's showing obviously strength here. We got a nice big push out of it. Looking to take this former high out over here. In fact, let's put a line there. We'll keep an eye on that. Right there. Alright, so we'll see if it gets rejected off that line or if we bust through that and get a higher high out of this thing. So Bitcoin itself is still in this falling wedge. You can see this thing, it's been bouncing around in here since what, about the beginning of April. Alright, so still in it there. You know, like I've always said, the chances of breaking to the upside are much higher than breaking to the downside with a falling wedge. So that's great to see with Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you guys this also. The total crypto market cap, it is also in a falling wedge. So this is on the daily chart. You can see it's right up against that resistance right now, that top band of that wedge right up here. So if we get the breakout of that, the total market cap, this thing is going to get really interesting. Here's the total too. This is the market cap without Bitcoin. Now you can, if we zoom in here, let's zoom in on the hourly. You can see it's poked its head out of that wedge. Alright, that yellow line is the upper resistance band of that wedge. It has started to get a breakout of that. Alright, it's up 0.67% right now as I make this video. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that so much, guys. Thank you. Now let's get back to Kaspa here. Alright, we have got the breakout. Let's put it on the 4 hours so we can see more of that wedge. I can show you guys we have got the breakout. Alright, now we're waiting for confirmation. Obviously we have to back test this as support now. You can see there's a trend line forming right up through here. Alright, so I would think, you know, if as long as this thing holds and we get this confirmation, a good area for this to bounce either at the 0.016 where it's at now, 161, or right down here at that 0.0157 area, somewhere right on there. That would it would hit that trend line here, and if it comes back down to back test it here at 0.0157 and it holds, boy, watch for this thing to really take off. Alright, let's pull them RSIs up. You can see the 4 hours correcting right now on Kaspa. Let me get that off there. Let's move out here to the daily. Last video we talked about this daily possibly turning back up and showing strength, and it has. Didn't correct a whole lot. Went down enough though to give this thing a really nice push if we get this breakout. So I'll be keeping an eye on this thing all day, guys. Obviously we get a big move out of this, and I'll get a video out ASAP. But this thing's looking great. The whole market is looking fantastic. So got that Bitcoin dominance dropping. We got that DXY holding. The Dow Jones breaking out. The S&P 500 showing strength, and Bitcoin still in that wedge. So, and we also have that total crypto market cap on the verge of a breakout, and the total too, the crypto market cap without Bitcoin breaking out. So things are looking great. All right, guys, I'll be back with you soon. Everybody have a great day, and thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video. I very much appreciate that so much. Thanks a lot, guys.